And for me, I know I have a ton of deadlines, but my biggest thing is, and Keely, I've told you this, we have woods behind our house. We have trails. During the pandemic, there was Ernie Miller Nature Park 5 minutes from my house. I would literally put everything down and go for a walk. Even though I had 20 different deadlines, I had to get my mind right and
Mm.
I needed clarity. For me, getting clarity is walking in the woods and walking outside. It's going to be different for everybody. You need to figure out what is going to do that for you. But for goodness sake, get rid of technology and give yourself that time.